Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock.
Hey, how are you, bro?
I'm good.
Welcome. Oh, hi guys. It's me here. Romy is me. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was just chilling here in this beautiful tent, and I want to take you around and show you how this beautiful tent works. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. It will be of great support. Like, share, and comment your suggestions and your opinions on whatever you think on this video. So let me take you through. And today my videographer is Masubo. He's the one who will be taking you along with me. So kindly go follow him. I'll put his link on my description box so that you can go and follow him. So without further ado, let me show you this beautiful tent. So basically, bro, you can tell them the people who brought this beautiful tent for us here. Who are the people?
Okay guys, welcome to Romy is me YouTube channel. My name is Masubo. I'm just a content creator from this beautiful village of Nyabohanse. And guys, actually when you shall be coming, just contact Jungles Africa. They shall be giving you all the information about these tents. And guys, it's just good. I think they told me it's around $100.
Wow.
That's for Kenyan money, just 15,000 Kenyan money. You shall be getting your tents.
Okay. For the whole period, for the whole full month.
Not full funds. This is just buying.
Oh, buying it forever.
Forever for you. It shall be 15,000 Kenyan money. That is $100 USD.
So you've just had it correct. $100 for the whole package. 15,000 Kenyan shillings for the whole package. So let's get to see. So basically, it's a very big tent. As you can see. Personally, I was fitting inside.
Even for 3 people can fit inside. Even 4.
No matter how tall you are, you can still fit in. Because you can see it's so big. And one thing I like about it, it's waterproof. Even when it rains, it's still waterproof, and it's so comfortable inside. When you found me there, I was actually dozing off. So it's actually very comfortable. And during the day, you can open this section. During the night, you close it like that. Come, I show them. During the night, this is how we close it. During the night. So this part, come show them. This part acts like a window. It's actually like a net.
Also, it's just a net.
It's a net over here. And during the day, it acts like a window so that you can get sunlight inside. But during the night, you pull it like this. Then this spot, you stick it to this other spot here. Spot like that. Then you come in and you chill inside. As you can see, it's quite big.
It's quite big, guys.
It can fit 3 big 3 adults. For 3 adults, you can fit even 4. Considering your sizes, you can fit even 4 adults. For kids, you can fit even 7.
Even 6 or 7.
6 or 7 kids. So it's so comfortable. It's waterproof. When it rains, it's waterproof. As you can see, the material is so durable and tough to sustain both sunlight and rain. So it's a very beautiful tent. And personally, if I'm to get it, I can be sure that I can be assured that it will serve me for a long period. So they're called Africa.
What's this?
The people are giving it.
Or they call Jungle Africa.
Jungle Africa.
Yeah.
So they're all even on social media.
Yeah. At Jungle Venture Africa.
Jungle Venture Africa.
Yeah.
That's where you can check them.
Yeah.
You can see this beautiful tent over there, and if you like it, kindly you can go and reach them out and order for one. Or even if you want a couple of them, you can reach them at Jungle Africa.
Jungle Venture.
Jungle Venture.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is something that comes with it for compatibility. This is just the place where it's touching down on the ground. Then this one you are given to at least give you compatibility in terms of being soft off the ground. Yeah. And then you can put on your mattress or something else like a mat that will help you to be comfortable. Yeah. Then if it's sleeping, you can sleep here. If it's resting during the day, you can rest in here. You can eat from here. Everything is sorted. And if you want to chill from outside, it has an extension over here. Yeah. It has an extension at this place. It has an extension. So if you wanna like have a picnic, you can put your things out here and play. If you have a baby or a kid, you can set a place here for them to chill here and play. Then when it's at night, you come get inside. When it's at night, you come get inside. Then as you found me inside, you close it like this. The good thing, it has two zips. Yeah, for inner and the outer. The inside and outside. So you close it like that. Then this part that's outside, this part that's out here, you can flap it now and close. Because this setup, the way you have put it outside here, it's for the during the daytime. Yeah. Then at night, you open it up. Yeah. Open it up, then close. Yeah. Then stay inside. Even when it rains, you are set. Yeah. Even when it's windy, you are set, because when you're inside, you are covered. when it is just on a windy day, it has these things just come over. You can see these guys. This it has this, and nowadays it's just you do like that so that it can. Or the tent can't move. Yeah, it helps you to be strong, to be stable and strong on the ground. Yeah, actually that's a good idea, so that when it's windy, even during the day or even during the night when it's raining and maybe it's windy, it helps you to be firm on the ground, because it's on both four corners, on all sides of the corners. It's here. Another one is here, all sides of the corner, so you can't, the tent can't flap away, can't move away from the station you've put it. So kindly make sure when you come for the big party, you come and order one to help you to avoid those stories of going to, book a hotel, because it's a bit expensive. So if you want to come here, just book your tent or buy it online, and I'll be putting their tags on the screen, and even their link on the YouTube link and their social media handles in the description box. So maybe this part here, when it's raining, this part actually is just mainly during when it's just raining, you cover the top of inside here, guys, because it has net. So that maybe they can see. Yeah, that's how it looks. You can show them from. Yeah, that's how it looks during the day, and then maybe because up here it acts like sunlight. Look, show them here. This is where sunlight passes through. It's like a place where this black part here. It's a net. It's a net. You can see it's a net. Yeah. So when it's raining, you cover it to avoid rain getting inside. you cover it like that. You put this flaps here, like that, like that.
Yeah. And there, guys.
And this side, put it like that.
Yeah.
Now you are set. Even if the rains come,
it cannot take this away.
It cannot take it away. And when it rains, now the water will be flowing on the outer side.
Yeah.
So now with that way you're sorted, and then during the day you open your windows like that, so that sunlight can pass through.
Yeah.
So guys, kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, consider subscribing, and it will be of great support. And make sure you're subscribing to my brother over here
at I am Masubo, guys. I shall really appreciate I am _ Masubo, guys.
Yeah.
Your support is highly appreciated. And guys, just tell us what do you think about this amazing video, and your comments shall be highly taken, guys.
Tell them to subscribe on this channel
at Romy is me, guys. And also, guys, the party owner, I am Marwas, the big boss. And guys, because let's support him, because he's having a good heart. He has just helped a lot of people, not only the YouTubers, not only the villagers, but everywhere, everybody.
Sure.
Subscribe to Romy is me, guys, and me at I am Masubo. I shall appreciate.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Peace, love, and harmony.
Yeah, guys.